Welcome to our tutorial on how to use search filters with people on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To start, type your search query into the search box located at the top of the Twitter page. Once you've entered your search query, the search results will display a mix of posts, photos, accounts, and various content types. To specifically filter your search results to focus on people, navigate to the top of the search results page and click on the People tab. By clicking on the People tab, you can refine your search results to show accounts and profiles related to your search query on X, Twitter, on your PC. By following these steps, you can efficiently utilize search filters to discover and connect with individuals and accounts that match your search criteria on the platform. Thank you for following along. We trust that this tutorial has been helpful in demonstrating how to use search filters with people on X, Twitter on your PC. Enhance your search experience by narrowing down your results to explore and engage with relevant accounts and profiles.